Okay, YouTubers, content creators on Facebook, on today's video I'm going to unleash a step-to-step way that you can create a very eye-catching YouTube banner, just like you have seen on several channels. First, your YouTube banner reflects what your content and your style is. That's the first thing that everybody will see whenever they arrive in your page. So we have to make it very inciting and captivating. Join me on this video as we journey to a step-to-step way to create an outstanding YouTube banner. So many people have been telling you a lot about creating a YouTube banner. At the end of the day, you created it and it does not size the YouTube banners. When you upload it on your YouTube, the banners don't give you exactly what you want. The sizes are not the same. The ratios are not the same. So I'm going to show you a step-to-step and a one-time YouTube banner creation that will actually fit in when you upload it. Trust me, I give you the best. I don't tell you what I have not tried out. These are things that we have implemented and we have tried it out and seen results. And I bring it to you today. Without wasting time, let's dive into the platform now and see what we can do. Now, this is a platform. You can do a lot on this platform. You have the Facebook post, you have Facebook like, you have Instagram posts, you have Instagram stories. Rest of them, you have Twitter posts. If you keep scrolling down, you see YouTube thumbnails. You can create your YouTube thumbnails on this platform too. Then you scroll down, you see so many things. Your ebook creation cover, anything you want. Your Facebook cover, Facebook group cover too. You can create a lot on this platform. This platform is amazing. It's crazy. It gives you full package of what you want, everything you need. So we have seen what we want. We were talking about today. The niche of this video today is on YouTube banners. So all you have to do is click on the YouTube banners on this page and see what we have. Let's click on the YouTube banner, open on another page. You have seen the size of the YouTube banners here. It gives you the accurate size of a YouTube banner. So all we have to do is we scroll to actually find what exactly we are looking for. What banner represents our channel. Okay, we'll have channel on cooking. This is actually amazing. It's very simple. You can move the letters, you can move the position of the letters, move position of any font you want. It's plug and play. You can zoom in to see the pictures and everything you need. Make sure that everything you're writing is on the center where this master chef recipe is. That is the size of the banner that can actually fit in your YouTube page. Now, if you click on the right hand side, you can decide to choose any different images on this your banner, or you can search. You can also search for a specific image you want to use. Okay, let's search on cooking and see what we have. We have exclusive pictures we can actually make choice on. Just click on it and it appears immediately to the other side. Now let's make use of this picture. You can choose to upload your own pictures that you want. Maybe you have your own personal pictures, you can choose to upload it and use it just like I have here. If you click on effects, you have every other panel that you can use to adjust every settings that you want to be on your banner. It's all showing here. On graphics, you have so many other things you do. Just make sure you exploit this channel to the fullest. You can click on upload to attach your pictures. Let me attach this subscribe now button to this our banner and see how it looks like. You can see it. You just have to drag and drop it and replace anything you want to replace. Resize everything you want to resize too. Is this not amazing? Just make sure you explore this site and add everything you want to add to create an amazing banner. You don't need the rocket science to actually create a banner here. It's user friendly. It's self-explanatory. You just have to drag and drop and plug and play kind of things that you need just to create an amazing YouTube banner and Facebook banner here. After that, just click on the button and download your banner. Go over to your YouTube and upload it. Happy to bring to you now the amazing time and the moments that you all been waiting for. Everybody wants to know the name of this platform. The name of this platform is sniper.com. The name is written under this video. Just go over to the website and create an amazing YouTube banner and let me know what you feel and how and what banner you have created on the comment box. Please, it's important to me, do well to like this video. Thanks to everybody who has just liked this video now. I appreciate so much, and subscribe to this channel so you can get to be notified when we place or post another video and be the first to try it out. Thank you very much. Don't forget to turn off the notification bell. Love you all. I love you all from my heart. Thank you for your support.